We're going to do exercise 4C question 10. Now it's rated in your notebook with 2 asterisks, which is telling us it's the complex unfamiliar, so a purple question. Okay, so a rectangular lawn. Let's colour the lawn in green. Here's our rectangular lawn. Is twice as long as it is wide. So there's the width and there's the length. So if we call the length x, the width x, then the length is going to be 2x. So that's these distances here. Okay. The lawn has a path, and they're in the diagram, that is 1 metre wide, and that path is the white space there. The length of the perimeter of the outside of the path. So here, now we are looking at the outside, so the distance all around the outside is 48 metres. So it's this plus this plus this plus this will give 48 metres. What is the width of the lawn? So we actually are being asked to find x. Okay, so how are we going to approach this? Well, we know that this is 2x and this is x. We know that that's 1 metre. We know it's a 1 metre path, so that 1 metre is going to be here, and it's going to be here as well. And we know that the distance all around is 48 metres. So we can actually write an equation. So I'm going to start here. And I'm going to say it's 1 metre plus 2x plus 1 metre to get to here. So 1 metre plus 2x plus 1 metre. Now I'm going to go down, so we've done that side. Now I'm going to go down here. I've got my 1 metre plus my x plus my 1 metre. And now I've done that. Okay, now these two are exactly the same as these two. So I could actually put all that in a bracket, and I could go 2 times. And then I've included that one and that one. So let's now collect what's in, and we know that all the distance around is 48 metres. So that equals 48 metres. So now let's collect our like terms in here. What have I got? I've got 1 metre, 2 metre, 3 metre, 4 metre. So I've still got 2 times everything. I've got 4 metres. I've got 2x plus another x. So I've got plus 3x equals 48 metres. Okay, so now I can use my distributive law and I can expand these brackets. Or I could actually, no, let's not do that. Let's get rid of this 2 times by dividing both sides by 2. That's an easier way to do it. So therefore I've got 4m plus 3x equals 48 divided by 2, which is 24 metres. Okay, now, so that you know what I've done there, 2 times all of this. So we can actually just turn it into essentially 1 times all of that. And 1 times all of that is just what's in the brackets. I've just put it in green so you can see that. So now we can just solve. Remember, this is just a measurement, so it's not an unknown. That's just the unit. So let's take the 4 metres from both sides. So I've got 3x now equals 24, take 4, which equals 20 metres. So now I can divide both sides. Better move over here. So let's start up here again with 3x equals 20 metres. Divide both sides by 3. So x equals 20 over 3. I'm actually going to turn it into a decimal now. So let's do that. 20 divided by 3 equals, let's go 6.67 meters. Now, so we've figured out what x is, but the question was asking us to the nearest centimetre. So since this is in meters, therefore x is going to equal, we multiply it by 100, so we move our decimal place 2 places, 667 centimetres. Okay, worded question, make sure you give me a worded answer. Therefore, the width of the path is 667 centimetres. Remembering that the width, the width of the lawn, that should be, not the path. And having a look here, remember that was the x that we were solving for.